Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Is everything okay?
We're very well, thanks. How about you,
We're
Miss?
very well, thanks.
I'm fine too. Thank you. Let's say a prayer together, Laura. Will you lead the prayer, please?
Okay, Miss. Everyone, pray begins. Pray finish.
Okay. Who is absent today?
Present, Miss.
Okay. Miss will be absent one by one. Please turn on the camera. Laura,
Present, Miss.
Lutfi Raika Putri,
I'm here, Miss.
Novita Meriam Graini.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, is everyone is present? Miss hope that you are all in good health. Motivation that Miss can convey to you today is, if we never try, we will never know. Are you ready, student?
Ready, Miss.
Ready, Miss.
Today, we're going to discuss about metallic bonding, which we will discuss what metallic bonding are, what are the property of metallic bonding. From the picture in the PowerPoint, what can you understand about metallic bonding?
A type chemical bond involving electrostatic attraction between conditioned electrons collected in an electron called an positively charged metal ion. This
Nice, Novita. Anyone want to add?
I miss
Okay, Laura.
the electrostatic attraction that exists between relatively immovable metal cations and mobile delocalized electrons, Miss.
Okay, very good answer, Laura. Metallic bonding is a type of chemical bonding that exists from the electrostatic attractive force between conduction electron in the form of an electron called of the delocalization electrons and positively charged metallic ion. It may be described as the sharing of a free electron among a structure of positively charged ion, cation. Then, who know what the property of metallic bonds? Anyone?
Miss.
Okay, Lutfira.
Of course, between two metals, type of structure, solid physical state, high melting point, insoluble in water, occurrence of electrical conductivity, and malleable, ductile, and lustrous, Miss.
Good answer, Lutfira. Okay, now Miss will explain what is meant by the nature of the metallic bonding. First, occurs between two metals. Metallic bonding can occur in pure metal element as well as metalloid element. Example, metalloid sodium or Na, magnesium, Mg, aluminium, Al, zinc, Zn, cadmium, Cd, kalium, Ga, iron, Fe, gold, Au, potassium, K, manganese, Mn, chromium, Cr, barium, Ba, silver, Ag, nickel, Ne. Okay, metallic bonds are seen in pure metal and alloys and some metalloid. For example, graphene, an allotrope of carbon, exhibits two-dimension metallic bonding. Metals, even pure one, can form other type of chemical bond between their atoms. For example, the mercurious ion can form metal-metal covalent bond. Okay. Second, type of structure. Does anyone the term used for metallic bonding?
Permission to answer, Miss.
Yes, Laura.
Electron C, Miss.
Good job, Laura. Okay, the electron C model is an oversimplification of metal bonding. Calculation based on electron band structure of or density function are more accurate. Metallic bonding may be seen as a consequence of a material having many more delocalized energy states than it has the localized electron. So, localized unpaired electron may become delocalized and mobile. Okay, next, third, solid physical states. Who know what are the physical properties of metallic bond?
Miss,
Okay.
strength, ductility, and luster.
Okay, good job, Lutfira. Anyone?
I miss
Okay.
thermal and electrical conductivity, Miss.
Okay. Solid physical states. Metallic bond play a role in various physical properties of metal such as strength, ductility, thermal and electrical conductivity, and luster. Okay, next, fourth, high melting point. Okay, sorry. High melting point. When a metal melts or boils, this is a change of physical states. Energy is transferred to substance to melt or boil it. This energy is needed to overcome the force of attraction between the metal ion and the delocalized electron in the metal. The more energy needed, the higher the melting point or boil point. As metal are giant lattice structure, the number of electrostatic forces to be broken is extremely large, and so metal have high melting and boiling points. This means that the melting point and boiling point of metal are more similar to those for ionic compounds than for covalent substance. For example, the table shows the data for magnesium chlorine and magnesium chloride. Okay. Laura, can you give an example of metal that can dissolve in each other while meeting the character of the sorry. Okay, next, insoluble in water. Metal are insoluble in water of organic solvents unless they undergo a reaction with them. Typical, this is an oxidation reaction that robs the metal atoms of their inert electron, destroying the metallic bonding. However, metal are often readily soluble in each other while retaining the metallic character of their bonding. Okay, Laura, can you give an example of metals that can dissolve in each other while maintaining the character of the metallic bond?
Okay, I can miss gold, for example, dissolves easily in mercury even at room temperature.
Okay, good job, Laura. Okay, next is occurrence of electron conductivity. Substance conduct electricity because they can contain charged particles that are able to move. When a voltage is applied to metal, the delocalized electron travel through the lattice structure. The movement of this charged particle from an electric current. Notice that the metal ion in the metal lattice are held in fixed position and are not able to move. Okay, next and the last is a malleable ductile structures. Okay, the structure of metal consists of layers of metal ion. These layers can slide over each other when a force is applied. This means that the layer of the metal can be hammered flat and they can also slide over each other to make these wires. Metallic bonding allow the metal to charge shape without shattering. Okay, do you get the point?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, means as one person who can conclude our lesson today.
Miss.
Okay, Lutfira.
Okay. Metallic bonding is a type of chemical bonding that arises from the electrostatic attractive force between conduction electrons in form of an electron cloud of delocalized electrons and positively charged metal ions. It may be described as the sharing of free electrons among a structure of positively charged ions or cations, Miss.
Okay, good job, Lutfira. Okay, for your home assessment, do the worksheet and submit your work next week. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Thank you.
Okay, I think our material for today is enough to get here and I hope you all can understand today material. Laura, please lead the pray.
Okay, Miss. Let's pray together. Pray finish.
Okay, thank you everyone. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Yeah.